Good morning, children. Welcome back to the social session, children. Children, as you all know that schools got reopened for classes 9th and 10th on 1st of February. So, we also have come to the end of our syllabus, even the greenery in Telangana, which we have discussed in the last session about Jadev Mulai and the Vanajeevi Ramaya. That was the end of the syllabus even. So, we quickly have the revision in the meantime before the essay 1 examinations. Okay, the summative assessment examinations will be conducted. Before that, we will have even enough revision also. You know, children, through this online, as we have been teaching the entire curriculum, the syllabus, so you might have missed or you might have skipped some kind of important concepts which we shall revise once again. You need not worry about them. So, especially the last units about the devotion and love towards the God and the rulers, the sculptures and buildings, and even about the literature and other important topics, where the last units we have discussed, you have missed important concepts, I suppose. So, we shall revise them during the period this time, and where we again try to sort out the doubts which you come across, you face during these sessions. So, you know, children, we started our journey with the first unit called as reading and making of maps. You remember? We started our journey with reading and making of maps, and then the globe, landforms, Dokuru, Penugolu, and from food gathering to growing food. So, different various things, and some of the syllabus which got deleted also we tried to discuss. For example, Penumakuru is deleted from the syllabus. Okay, for this year the Penumakuru is deleted, but still we have tried to finish up Penumakuru also. And even the first empires, the emergence of kingdoms, these were not there, but still we have finished these units. So, coming to the project works to be done for this academic year also will be given now. That means during these classes, okay, I'll guide you. You don't worry about the project work. I'll guide you how to make this project work, what should be written, what is the topic, those all kind of things I'll guide you. You need not worry about them. So, as I was telling you about the reading and making of maps, children. So, in the first unit, we tried to understand about drawing the map of our school. You remember how the directions are identified, how what are the important components present in a map or ingredients present in a map, okay, and which direction will be the east, which direction will be the west, north and south, and how the scale has to be used. So, these kind of things we try to understand in the first unit. And under the second unit, children, if you see, we try to focus on the latitudes and longitudes, the imaginary lines drawn on the globe, the latitudes and longitudes, and the important latitudes and longitudes we have discussed, which are useful for us in understanding the climate of a place as well as the time of a place. So, likewise, every unit has got its own importance where we try to discuss about various components. So, let me quickly recapitulate this greenery in Telangana, which we have seen in the last session. Okay, under the greenery in Telangana, don't forget about Harita Haram program. Okay, this Harita Haram program is initiated by the government of Telangana in order to plant 230 crores saplings across the state. Why? Because according to the National Forest Policy of India, every country, every state should have 33% of its geographical area under the tree coverage, under the forest coverage. But our Telangana has only 24% of forest coverage area. How much it should be? 33 it should be. But how much we have? Only 24% we have. That is the reason why there is a faster depletion of climatic conditions. Okay, there are consecutive years of drought, or otherwise the flash floods are occurring in the state. So, these are the reasons, and there is a faster depletion of underground water also. Drought conditions and the flash floods, the sudden climatic changes occurs, and even the groundwater depletion also is occurring, due to which the fertility of the soil also decreases. So these all are the consequences because of the decrease in the forest coverage area. If there is a sufficient forest coverage area, automatically the trees help in giving us a sufficient rainfall and the soil fertility improves, and these all are interrelated, you know. The food chain, as it gets interrelated, these all are also ecological balance is also required. So this is what we try to understand in greenery in Telangana. Thank you, children.